So this is going to be like the last segment of the podcast, and this is probably the most fun podcast segment of it. And I call it "Don't Be Diplomatic." All right. So it's going to be a rapid fire, and you already know what to do. BTC or ETH?
BTC. Neither. BTC. BTC.
Token or equity?
Token.
Most bullish ecosystem? You can't say Solana.
SVM ecosystem.
Bro, shut up.
Helium.
Helium. One ecosystem you're bearish on.
Oh, ETH.
An investment that you've already marked down to zero.
I mean, FTX. I don't want to tell you.
No, that's not dead.
It's a tough one. Let's come back to this one. I can't think of...
Okay, I will actually come back to this.
Okay, we'll do it.
Okay, an investment that exceeded your expectation.
Fastlane. Well, I mean, I always had like a bunch of ideas for them. I don't know if you know these guys. They build MEV infrastructure started off with Polygon, and now they're doing a lot of work on Monad and such. The amount of intellectual capital they've drawn has been really impressive to see. So Fastlane Labs.
One investment opportunity that you passed and now you regret.
Pump.fun.
One narrative you're most bullish on other than Deepen.
Liquid secondary markets for tennis courts. for new things, new markets.
Okay.
Yeah.
One deal breaker when you're investing in a founder.
A lack of conviction. I think if I'm asking you a question and you're like, maybe it doesn't, I can't get around it.
Classify the following funds in different tiers, okay? Pantera.
Oh, dude. What tiers?
Tier 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 being the highest.
Yeah, I mean, they're great. Tier 1.
Tier 1. Multicoin.
Tier 1.
Paradigm.
Tier 1.
Hack VC.
Tier 1. Everyone's tier 1.
Archetype.
Tier 1. You're not going to get
Anagram.
me to say... Tier 1. You're not going to get me to say a bad thing about any of these folks.
Coin fund.
Tier 1.
Okay, name 3 tier 2 funds.
I don't spend time thinking about tier 2 funds.
This is what shows he was a BD before. All right, bro.
My compliance team is going to have a hard time with this one. Thank you so much.
We'll do more of this very soon.
Yes, let's do it.
Oh, bro.